Wanna know how to fix network error in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Mobile Legends game and make sure it's not a server-side issue. Sometimes there could be a server-side issue from Mobile Legends itself, so make sure to check it as well. Now, if it's not a server-side issue and it's your issue itself, make sure you have a stable connection. So network issue is primarily caused by unstable connection, so make sure to switch to a better Wi-Fi or just switch to data. It works the best. The next thing, just simply turn on the airplane mode. So right here you can see airplane mode. You can just turn it on and turn it off after 10 seconds quickly. So this should help in any errors or glitches caused by your phone. So we can also first restart your Mobile Legends. So if it's open, we can just close it through the add tray and then open it again. So this should help. So if all of it still doesn't work, you can just simply reinstall the game, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily make Mobile Legends network issue fixed. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.